Brr, it's cold in here. I forgot to turn the heat off actually. That's probably why it's so cold down here. I don't know what that was. Okay. Today is an easy look because I'm running out of time to do looks. Okay, I've been sick. I've had to work overtime. Life just that was graphic. So for this, I'm just gonna start off. I'm gonna redo my hair so I can get some of these stragglers back. Man, I'm pretty sure I have something wrong with my kidneys. I don't know why I laughed. It's not really funny. Voila, I made a snake. So the foundation is too much. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in 110 Porcelain. When I got this, it was a lot wider. So it's a lot lighter. So, like I said, the foundation is lighter than what I actually am, but it's kind of like, it doesn't really matter because it's not like a glam look or even a natural or anything. This is going to be a more special effects creepy look. So with that, the foundation is more of just a base just to have that done. Okay, wow. I'm going in with my Mehron Paradise paint in black. I'm going to do a little rough outline of where I want my holes to be. So let's see. So this is going to be like a mixture between a cracked look and like a missing eye look. So it doesn't really matter like how you make them. You know, it's pretty much just random. Just however you think will look the best. And then I'm going to go in with my white Paradise paint. Paradise paint from Mehron. And just do some detailing. So normally you want to go over with some sort of powder makeup, like eyeshadow or something, just to kind of secure it on there, because it will kind of rub off. Like my eyelids already started having like some separation and like wear off. Matte like shadow would be preferred, but The only dark shade I had closest to me is the Eclipse from the Violet Voss Rainbow palette, and that is a shimmery shade. So it is definitely not the preferred option, but it is the darkest shade I had next to me, and I mean, it works okay. It just will, you know, give it a little bit of shimmer. But if I was wearing this out, I would want to make sure I got a matte shade. And then I just went into the corners a little bit, just gave it a little shadow shading around. And then for lips, I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox Legendary lipstick. And then that is pretty much it. Like I said, I wanted to make sure I did a couple like super easy looks. Like some of the ones I've done, I mean in general, are easier looks, but you know, this is a very quick makeup look compared to a lot of the other ones I've done. I think in total it's taken me like 20 something minutes. So I mean, from nothing to something, it's definitely not bad. If you had a wig, you can put a wig on, or style your hair however you want to. But yeah, there is the finished look. So I hope you guys liked. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Smash that, I almost said guitar button, I don't know where that came from, but smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already because it's free, so why not? And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!